Everybody hold on to your butts because we've got a new image from JWST. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So what's going on here is in the middle there is a newly formed little baby protostar, but there is a lot of material around it that hasn't actually made it into the star, and that material is being shot away from it in these really strong, powerful jets of plasma that can move hundreds of thousands of kilometers an hour. We call this type of thing a Herbig-Haro object, and we've actually observed a lot of them with JWST. We can capture a lot of the detail in these stellar outflows in the infrared light JWST is sensitive to. But this particular object, called Sharpless 2284, is really unique. For one, the protostar in the center is really big. We think it's about 10 times the mass of our sun, making it much bigger than a lot of the other small mass stars that we've seen drive other Herbig-Haro objects. For another, this object is near the edge of our galaxy, over 15,000 light years away from us. And the edge of a galaxy is a very different environment from its center. A lot of that has to do with the metal enrichment. Each new generation of stars will add more metals, which in astronomy just means any element heavier than hydrogen or helium, into the gas that new stars are then formed from. There's typically a lot more star formation and activity happening in the central regions of a galaxy compared to its outskirts. So because this object is in the outer reaches of our galaxy, it's a lot lower metallicity than most of the other Herbig-Haro objects we find that are much closer to its center. So studying it allows us to understand how stars form and evolve in different environments, like maybe the ones that existed early on in the universe when the whole universe had fewer metals to work with. Observations like this are crucial for helping us understand how stars form and evolve and shape the galaxies that they live in. Plus, it's just beautiful.